Good morning and welcome to Daily Challenge number 18. I'd like to thank Mrs. Morris for yesterday's Daily Challenge. Today's one is coming from myself and it is a very short mental arithmetic challenge with a little bit of mind reading in it as well. And if by the end of it that you come up with the answer that we're hoping for, then you might want to try it out with those people that are at home with you just now. So get ready, get your thinking caps on, and what I'd like you to do is to choose a number between nothing and 9. So if you could choose a number between nothing and 9, that would be good. And then the next thing I'd like you to do is to multiply that number by 9. So choose a number between nothing and 9 and then multiply it by 9. And then what I'd like you to do is with the answer to that number, if you could add the two digits of that number together. So let's choose a number between nothing and 9, multiply it by 9, and then add the two digits of that number together. Once you've done that, what I would like you to do is with that number, I would like you to subtract 5. Okay? Subtract 5 from that number. And now the slightly trickier bit is what I'd like you to do is to think of a country that starts with a corresponding letter from the number that you have. So for example, A would be 1, C would be 3, D would be 4, and so on. So with the corresponding letter, I'd like you to think of a country that begins with that letter. Then once you've got the name of that country, I would like you to think of an animal that begins with the second letter of the country that you came up with. Okay? And then perhaps think of a colour that would typically be the colour of that animal. And hopefully, if you've done it correctly, you'll have a grey elephant from Denmark.